Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video I'm going to show you the first circle of the teeny tiny doily we are currently working on. To get in position for it, we are currently coming out here, so we're going to want to go through 3 beads. So on the side your string is coming out of, you will go through 3 beads so that you are coming out that bottom center one. And then our string is coming out on this side, so we are going to add our first circle in this order. So we have, on my pattern, I have 3 highs followed by 2 lows. So that'll be 3 greens. And then 2 pinks. And then the string our bead is coming I got that backwards. The bead our string is coming out of, we're going to want to go through, enter it from the opposite side, and there we have added the first circle of our current doily. Hope to see you in the next video.